In this video, I will show you how to fix refresh page to load content error in Roblox. So if you're facing such error, the first thing that you need to check is your internet connection. So simply open up your control center. From here, check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable, or you could also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you can do is simply turn on airplane mode. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then simply turn it off and let your device get connected to Wi-Fi. After you're done doing that, you can simply click on Roblox and hold on it. From here, go to App Info. Click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Data Uses. Make sure Disable Mobile Data and Disable Wi-Fi is not turned off. If the toggle is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Now let's go back, then go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Data and Clear Cache written in bright red. Make sure to click on Clear Cache. And once your cache is clear, you can try restarting Roblox. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Roblox. Now from here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there's no update available and still not working, then simply click on uninstall, confirm it, then install again. Now one last thing that you can do is simply press and hold on to your power button. Then this power menu will appear. Simply turn this slider upwards. After that, let your device get restarted. Then try to load Roblox again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.